Hello guys, welcome to our channel Alchemist. Today we are going to see the chapter Matter Around Us. First of all, what is matter? Matter is any substance that has mass and take up space. Everything around us is matter. Matter and its examples. See the picture for a minute. In this picture, everything is a matter. The lady, the iron rod, the laptop, a sandwich, the spider, the water, and everything around her, and she is also a matter. Matter and its types. Matter is subdivided into two types: pure substance, mixture. Pure substance is again subdivided into two types: elements, compounds, and the mixture is subdivided into two types: homogeneous, heterogeneous. In this video, we are going to learn each and every topic in detail. Let's get into the video. Atom. See this picture. The graphite refill used in pencils. It is made up of an element called carbon. We can break the graphite into smaller and smaller pieces using knife. That smaller piece, that minute particle is known as atom. Atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that constitutes a chemical element. Actually, it consists of a nucleus made of protons and neutrons orbited by electrons. Everything we see around us is made of atoms. And now we are going to see what is a molecule. When an atom combines with another atom, it is known as molecule. A molecule is made of two or more atoms chemically combined. Example is the gas we breathe is made of two oxygen atoms chemically combined. Formation of water molecule. An atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen combine to form a molecule of water. And now we are going to see the configuration of matter. These are the basic concepts to know what is a matter. The first one is atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. Molecule. Molecule are made of atoms. What is an element? This chemically simplest substance cannot be broken down. Compound. Two or more elements are chemically bonded together. In the earlier slide, we saw that matter is divided into two types: pure substance and mixture. And the pure substance is again divided into two types: elements and compounds. In this slide, we are going to see the types of elements and compounds. The element is again further divided into atoms and molecules, and the compound is again divided into two types: molecules and ions. And now we are going to see the examples of each types. And for atom of elements, the example is neon. And for molecules of elements, the example is O2. In this, the same kind of atoms combine to form O2 molecule. And for molecules of compounds, the example is water. In this, the different kinds of atoms combine to form a water molecule. The hydrogen and oxygen, two hydrogen and one oxygen atom combine to form a molecule of compounds. In the ions of compounds also, there is two different kind of atoms. Example, NaCl. One atom is sodium and another atom is chlorine combined to form ions of compounds. That is formed when atoms of two or more elements combine chemically. For example, the atom of the elements hydrogen and oxygen combine chemically in a fixed ratio to form the compound water. In this example, sodium and chlorine gives sodium chloride, that is common salt, is a compound made of elements sodium and chlorine. It is in our food, whereas sodium and chlorine are poison, are both unsafe for consumption, but they mix, be used in the food. Other examples are sugar, chalk. In the sugar, the elements are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In the chalk piece, the elements are calcium, carbon and oxygen. And now we are going to see the differences between elements and compounds. Elements consist of only one type of atom, whereas compound contain different elements in a fixed ratio. Elements cannot be broken into smaller substance, whereas compound can be broken down into simpler substances. There are total of 118 elements, whereas in compounds the list is endless. Examples of elements are copper, iron, hydrogen, oxygen, mercury, etc. Examples of compounds are water, salt, sugar, etc. Element is represented by symbols, whereas compound is represented by a formula. Symbols of an element. A symbol is an abbreviation or short representation of a chemical element. There is a unique symbol for each element. The symbols are allocated by epoch. Chemical symbols usually consist of one or two letters. For example, hydrogen means H, capital H. Lithium means capital L, small I. And a special case like gold, AU. It means Arum. Latin name. It is a Latin name and it is given as AU. And for many other elements also, for copper Cu, it is derived from the Latin name cuprum. Chemical formula. What is chemical formula? It is a symbolic representation of one molecule of an element or a compound. For example, NaCl, salt, one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. Sucrose, 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms and 11 oxygen atoms. And for vinegar, 2 carbon atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms. And for baking soda, 1 sodium atom, 1 hydrogen atom, 1 carbon atom, 3 oxygen atom. Atomicity. It is a total number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or compound or a substance. For example, hydrogen exists as an element H2. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Helium exists as a monoatomic. So its atomicity is 1. And lithium atomicity is also 1. Nitrogen exists as diatomic N2. So its atomicity is 2. Oxygen exists as also diatomic. So it is 2. Fluorine also F2. So atomicity is 2. Neon exists as monoatomic and sodium exists as also monoatomic. Phosphorus exists as polyatomic And P4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4. And for sulfur it is also polyatomic, S8. So 8 into 1 is equal to 8. The atomicity of sulfur is 8. And now we are going to see an example. What is the atomicity of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. And the calculation is, there is 2 hydrogens, so 2 into 1 plus 1 sulfur plus 4 oxygen. So 2 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 7. This is the atomicity of sulfuric acid. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.